Hey, this is pretty cool. I'm at the New Mexico Manufacturing Extension Partnership event. They asked me to come out and talk. I met Chris and Ben with Build With Robotics. And Chris, can you take a minute and just tell me what it is you guys do at Build With Robotics?
Yeah, sure. So Build With Robots is taking this new collaborative robot technology that's very easy to use, very accessible, and providing a model where we prove that to our customers by rolling in a robot, setting it up, and then charging them only when the robot's in operation.
So not when it hit the dock. It's
No.
when it's working, they start
up
paying.
and running.
And that was $300 a day.
$300 a day when it's already in operation, because it is so accessible and easy to use. And then over time, they start to gravitate and learn it and develop it and redeploy it.
So this is cool. So Ben, you described it a little differently. You described the company in 3 terms. Could you walk me through that again?
Yeah, our company really does 3 things. We're a distributor, a system integrator, and a designer. We distribute this robotics solution, the robot and the gripper and the cart. We integrate it into your workflow, and we design custom solutions to expand what's out there, like a drilling robot, for instance.
So this is the interface for programming the robot. This looks pretty simple. I saw you demonstrate it in more detail before, but really quickly, if I wanted to do something that, when I started at GM, just moving this end effector in a new position was incredibly difficult, a lot of programming. Can you show me, is that any simpler than it used to be?
Well, yeah, if you want to add another point, just add another waypoint. And set that waypoint, and
so that's showing me that the position the robot is in right now. Okay, and what am I going to do?
I'm just going to hit this free drive button and go ahead and move that to where you'd like it to.
So I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to move it into position. Let's bring it up over here. This thing actually has a high resolution camera on it, vision system type driven. This is kind of the Cadillac of end effectors. So now I've got it in exactly where I want it, my new position. What else do I got to do?
Yeah, just hit OK. And we'll run the program.
Cool. Can we make this thing move?
Yeah.
So we're actually executing this program, and now this robot that actually had a particular path that it was described for before is actually going to run through the steps. And they've got a number of different steps programmed into it. So it's just taking a second as it thinks, and it's going through the positioning of the end effector. So we'll fire that guy up. And you can see this is on a cart. This can be moved into different positions. You can use it for different jobs. You're not trying to sell somebody a whole bunch of different robots. It's just getting something useful. And that's about it. You can see that's now part of the path of whatever the tool that was on it. That's awesome, guys. And you really focused on working with small and mid manufacturers that don't have a whole department that's doing robotics, that doesn't have specific engineers, and getting them started. And Ben, you said something that was a little tough for me to believe. You're going to go do a pick and place program application for somebody, and it's going to take you how long to get that set up?
Just a day.
That's pretty cool. Nice job, guys. Great talking with you. We'll talk soon.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.